Hey everyone, in this video, I'll be walking you through how you can delete your account over on Stake. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to the Stake webpage and make sure you're signed into your account. From there, navigate to the left-hand menu and select Responsible Gambling. Then, choose Self-Exclusion. Ensure that your email on Stake is verified. After that, click on Request Self-Exclusion. A notification will pop up saying, "Exclusion requested. Please check your email to confirm." Now, head over to your email and look for the message from Stake. In that email, click on Start Self-Exclusion. Once you return to Stake, you will see another pop-up confirming that your self-exclusion has been updated, meaning you have successfully initiated your self-exclusion cooldown period. If you go back to the earlier email from Stake, you'll see that once the cooldown period is over, you will receive a follow-up email with instructions on how to finalize the process. So that's how you can delete your account on Stake. That's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.